the history of science replete with individuals who dare to challenge conventional wisdom and reshape our understanding of the universe. Among these pioneers, Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo Galilei, who stands out and momentarily figures who revolutionized astronomy and laid the foundation of modern science. But before that, let me present to you the objectives. The first one is to identify Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo Galilei. The second one is to name the major contribution of Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo Galilei. Lastly, to explain how the ideas of Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo changed our understanding of the universe. Come on, guys!
Let's explore the contributions of Copernicus and Galileo.
Who is Copernicus?
Nicholas Copernicus was born on 1473 and died on 1543. He was a Polish astronomer known for proposing the heliocentric model, placing the Sun at the center of the solar system with the Earth and the other planet evolving around it. He was educated on Italy and Poland and published the book De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, impacting the future scientists like Galileo and Kepler.
What is heliocentric model?
The heliocentric model was originally proposed by Aristarchus of Samos and was revived by Nicholas Copernicus during the 16th century, which explains that the Earth is not the center of the universe, but the Sun is the center of the universe through the observation of Nicholas Copernicus and his mathematical equation to prove that theory. While, during that period, the geocentric model also exists. Geocentric model involves the understanding that the Earth is the center of the universe according to the churches during that time. The heliocentric model is not accepted through the churches because they believe solely that the Earth is the center of the universe.
Influence of Copernican to the belief of people in the society.
Copernicus, through his heliocentric model, claims that instead of the Earth, the Sun was the actual center of the universe. And this has influenced some of the significant foundations in our society. First, it challenged and opposed most of the religious teachings, sparking intense debate and arguments between religion and science. Secondly, it humbles all of humanity, making us feel like less significance in the overall grand scheme all around us. And due to this controversial influence, Copernicus was able to create a way in order for us to think critically and for a deeper understanding of the world around us.
Its impact to the present studies of science.
The Copernican revolution's impact of modern science is profound and multifaceted. It didn't just change our understanding of the solar system. It fundamentally altered the scientific method itself. By challenging geocentric model and empirical observation and mathematical modeling, Copernicus established a precedent for reasoning. Initially, revolutionary is now the bedrock across all disciplines.
Now, let us proceed with Galilean, which is proposed by Galileo Galilei. But first, who is Galileo Galilei? Galileo Galilei is an Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer. He also referred as the father of modern science. He was born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, which he made significant contributions in various fields like mathematics and natural philosophy. His groundbreaking work included the laws of mathematics, which laid the foundation for classical mechanics. He also improved the telescope, leading to the revolutionary astronomical discoveries such as the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and the sunspots. Galileo's scientific method and emphasis on experimentation continue to influence the scientific inquiry today.
Have you ever wondered what is Galilean? Galilean pertains to anything associated with Galileo Galilei. When the term Galilean is employed, It frequently alludes to the concept or principles introduced or impacted by Galileo. For instance, Galilean relativity, Galileo's principle asserting that the law of physics remains consistent across all inertia, non-accelerating frames of reference. The Galilean moons, the quarter of Jupiter's largest moons, Lu, Riopa, Ganymede, Callisto, discovered by Galileo in 1610. In essence, Galilean signifies that Galileo's profound contribution to science and the manner in which his ideas have shaped our comprehension of motion, physics, and cosmos.
What is the influence of Galilean to the belief of people during their time? People thought Earth was the center of everything. Galileo used his telescope to show that the Sun is the center of our solar system. So this is what we call a geocentric model. He proved that science should be based on what we see and what we test, not just on old ideas or what people said.
His bravery encouraged others to question things, leading to big changes in science. Galileo changed how we do science and how we see our place in this universe.
Impact of Galilean too. The study of science.
Galileo Galilei has profoundly impacted the study of science by establishing the foundations on modern scientific inquiry. His emphasis on empirical evidence and experimentation have transformed the scientific method, moving away from the reliance on philosophical speculation and religious doctrine. Contributions to physics, including the laws of motion and inertia, and revolutionized the study of astronomy with his telescopic discoveries.
In conclusion, Copernicus and Galileo revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Copernicus' sun-centered model challenged the old Earth-centered view, and Galileo's discoveries supported it, despite opposition. Their work advanced science and showed the importance of questioning old ideas.